Well, this is Mr. Cox with Supercharged Intercooled Science. Here's another little model I purchased today from Will King. This is the poison, one of the species of um, poison dart tree frogs. These would be from South America. Beautiful colors. These outstanding, beautiful colors, bright colors, typically are warnings to other creatures to not try to eat them or lick them or touch them because they secrete some deadly poisons. So at this particular one, and these come in red, green, yellow, orange colors, all different varieties of these species of these type of um, frogs. Some of the native tribes from South America, and there are tribes that actually still do this. There's some tribes that have not seen people outside of the area, other than their own tribes persons, but they will actually take a dart. Of course, these would be darts made out of things that they find in the tropical rainforest and not darts like we throw at targets, but they're sharp like that. And they will roll them carefully across the back of these frogs. And again, these frogs are different than the frogs we have in North America for the most part. Now, I had to say that some of these people have had these for pets and released some poisonous frogs into Florida, and there's been some pet dogs that have died because they'll try to lick these or eat them, and the poison kills them. But typically, these are found in South America, the tropical rainforest. Again, species that we need to protect, we need to keep on Earth and not get rid of. Their habitats being endangered um, by indiscriminate logging and cutting down a lot of tropical rainforests just to raise cattle to sell for cheaper than we can in North America, or than we do in North America, and it's not good. So they say that we're losing species faster than we're actually identifying species, not just of frogs, but plants and all kinds of things in the tropical rainforest, and we're probably even cures for cancers and other diseases that we're losing because these plants and animals are going extinct. But this uh, poison dart tree frog, uh, what they do is they roll the little dart across the back, and then they'll put it in a blowgun. They have to be very careful. They don't suck and pull it into their mouth or swallow it, or they would be dead. And they'll use these to hunt with, and they hit a bird or small mammal, whatever they want to hit, to bring them down. But they can also use them in warfare and use them against intruders if they're human intruders coming into the areas that these natives live in. They use their darts made of these from the poison coming out of these tree frogs. So these are beautiful creatures. You can see some in some zoos and different exhibits in the United States that are kept in captivity. You need to keep them, in their own type of habitat and trees and high humidity and warmth and sunlight and stuff like that. I say sunlight, but it doesn't really have to be that much sunlight. Heat and warmth, because they live under the canopy of the tropical rainforest. They're probably not getting that much direct sunlight, but a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity, and warmth. A lot of trees to climb on and other plants. So the poison dart tree frog.